Welcome everybody. This is the third episode in My Heart Goes Swimming. In today's reflection, I want us to think about how we experience the wonder of nature. It is truly a privilege, a gift to be able to walk in or experience the wonder of nature. That can be as simple as looking up to the beautiful blue sky, or looking up to the magnificent starry night. Nature is all around us, and it just takes us a moment to acknowledge that wonder in the busyness of every day. So today, take a moment, look up, look around, be in nature. It is truly wonderful and glorious. Thank you.